Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Yes. Good morning. Hope that everyone is good. Fine. Yes. So let's start. Let's start with a prayer, everyone. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes, everyone. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Everyone. Okay. And switch on your camera, please. Again and again I will not say. I will say only one time. Yes, beta. Hello. Switch on your cameras. Everyone, switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras, please. Everybody. Join your hands, close your eyes. Start prayer. Yes. You can start now, Bate. Start. Okay, now switch on open your eyes. Okay, beta. So, we have completed the chapter. Did we complete the chapter? Did we complete the chapter?
Yes, sir.
But I am asking something. Yes or no?
No,
Hello.
sir. A wallpaper project is remaining.
Huh?
The last
Wallpaper
topic.
project. Okay, yes, I told you that we will read that topic. Yes or no? So I told you that we will read the topic and you will understand. Yes or no? I want someone to read. Can anyone read?
Yes,
Louder.
Sir, may I read? Sir, may I read?
Sir, may I read?
No. Wait.
May I?
No, may I? Wait. I will say. No, don't start. May I? Wait. Dia, read. Dia, read it.
Okay.
Read louder. First, show me your textbook. You have textbook? Okay, fine. Good. Yes. Now read.
A wallpaper is an interesting activity through which research can be done on topics of interest. The following photographs explain the different aspects involved in creating a wallpaper in a classroom.
Yes. Wallpaper is what? Wallpaper is an activity. Okay, it's an interesting activity through which what research can be done on a particular topic of interest. For example, topic is on health. For example, okay. So health related wallpapers you have. You can means there is a suggestion. No. For example, health is the topic, and you have to prepare wallpaper on based off that topic. Okay. So it's an activity through which research. What is the health condition of India? Current health condition. Is the corona being lessened? Yes or no? Is the effect of corona been decreased or not? So these kind of like research. No, we are researching on health. So this way, the wallpaper is being utilized for certain research on particular topic. It can be any topic. Right now I have just, for example, I have said health. It can be any topic. Okay. So now the following photographs. So here in your textbooks, 2 photographs are given. Just look that. In that, what do you understand by that? It explains the different aspects. Okay, involved in creating. So how the wallpaper is created. So by looking at the photographs, you get some idea, no, that how the students are all together. They are cooperating, yes or no, or they are helping each other. And they are helping, and they are involved in creating a wallpaper in a classroom. Discussion with whole class. The teacher divides the class into groups. The group discusses. Now, beta, this we could have done, but unfortunately, we are not in class. So, but it's nothing. Just it's about an activity. It's about a wallpaper, making of wallpaper on a particular topic. Yes. This is just an example regarding on how this project is been utilized. See, and look at the next page. See, students have prepared a wallpaper, and the teacher is appreciating them. Can you see page number? Next page number 4040. Can you see that picture? Yes, students have made a wallpaper. Yes or no? What is the topic given to them? Let's read. The group discusses the issue and decides what it would like to include in the wallpaper. Children then work individually or in pairs to read collected material, write the observations and experience. They can do this through creating stories, poems, case studies, interviews, etc. Group looks at material that they have selected, drawn and written. They read each other's writing, provide feedback to each other. They make decisions on what should be included and finalize the layout of the wallpaper. Then next page number 40. Each group then presents the wallpaper in the entire class. Yes, it means what is actually going on here? What is going on? They are having a mutual understanding. They are helping each other. They are, if there is any mistake. Yes, beta.
Sir, now may I read?
Wait. No need to read beta. It's already over. Only that one paragraph only I wanted to read. Rest of nothing important. It is just a kind of an activity type beta. It's not an activity, but just to make you understand on particular topic how the students are included in. Means all together they are cooperating each other. They all together are working for that. Yes or no? Because here the same way why it is given. It's because for you to understand about how the government works. If there is an issue, okay, so all the ministers, what do? They all together decide, okay, they decide on a particular topic, they plan or they give some suggestion and opinions, and all of these things are taken all together and then they proceed for the project, whatever they have, okay. Just this is given just to make you understand. Suppose for example, yesterday I told you, yesterday did I say I don't know about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, yes or no, means why it was implemented, just to make everyone aware of cleanliness, yes or no, yes. So that project, that was a project, no, it was kind of a project given to the entire nation, so no, so that everyone should be included, everyone all together. There should have a cooperation, yes or no. So it shows that it's just, for example, just consider that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan as the project and or the topic. Okay, now everyone all together has to follow that. Means they have to discuss on that how to implement, how we can make clean in the surroundings. Yes or no? Then how we can involve in activities to make the surroundings clean. Yes or no? So this way, yes, this is how we need to improve or we need to think about a particular topic or a subject or whatever mission we can say. Yes or no? So that's all. This is just an example given on how to do, what to do, how the ministers decide, how they make certain decisions, how they finalize the decisions, okay, and then later how the law is implemented, and then it's not like only they will put the law to the towards the country. No, then after they take a report is prepared through which they will come to know that whether people are following that or not. So no, this is how the government. So we in this chapter we were talking about which government? State government. So state then gives its report to the central government, and then how then the central government decides that whether everything is okay. Is every state okay with the rules and regulations as given by the parliament? Because parliament is the head. No, who is the head of the entire law? Who is the main law body? Or who is the head of all the law making? Who is the head?
Parliament.
Yeah, Parliament is a place, or Parliament is a law making body. Yes. So from there, is everything or is the entire state accepting the situation, or is the entire state accepting in the way that people are whether following or not, or is there any changes needed? Okay, if there are any changes needed, then what will happen? Yes, then again they will arrange a meeting, or again they will arrange a discussion. Yes or no? So this way then again some changes might come in the rules and regulations. Yes or no? Yes. So this is how people's reaction on particular project or particular topic is concerned. Clear now? So now the chapter is over. Clear? Beta?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move on for the homework checking. Okay. So one by one, when I call the name, now please don't waste the time, beta. Again and again I am saying, strictly I am saying, you have to follow. When I call the names, don't waste the time. On the spot you have to switch on the camera. Network issue is there, then write down in the chat box, sir, I am having network issue. So this way, that don't stop or don't sit silent. If I am asking something, suddenly you have to reply. If mic is not properly working, then write down in the chat box. So that there can be a communication. It will not stop, or it should not stop. Just go on. Okay. If you have any problem in showing the homework, then tell me in chat box. Okay. And then later you can send me through WhatsApp. Clear? And monitor will write the names those are sending through WhatsApp. Again, I am not saying it every day because you already know what to do. Clear? Okay. Who is the monitor? Where is the monitor? Monitor present. Hello? Monitor is present. Monitor is present. The monitor is only not replying.
No, sir.
Who is the monitor?
Sir, not present. Monitor is not present.
Monitor is not present.
Sir, change the
Who was
monitor.
the monitor?
Sir, what? Sir.
Who was the monitor?
Ayan.
Hariom.
Hariom, no? It was Hariom, I think so, not Ayan. Okay, then
Yes,
I
sir.
think
No,
we
sir,
will
you
change
also
the
make
monitor.
Ayan. No, sir. After Hariom, you make Ayan monitor.
Ayan was monitor. Okay, anyways, both of them are
Yes,
not present,
yes.
no? Okay, we will make a new monitor who is always regular, who is always present. Okay, so today I am changing the monitor. So today it will go with, let's make, why Kavya, you have raised your hand? Kavya, is there any doubt or you want to be the monitor? Kavya, beta? No. Okay, fine. Yes, beta, do you have any doubt? Keval, Keval Dabi.
सर इस बार गर्ल्स में से रखो ना.
Wait. Keval. Okay,
Yes,
up
sir.
till now only boys. Till now only boys were the monitor. Girls I have not made or what?
सर आपने बनाई नहीं है गर्ल्स.
Okay, no problem. Then let's go with girls for this time. Now, who will become? But that student should be regular in every work, in homework doing, in class work, in all the activities should be active. Then, yes, it should be a good student. I want good students to be monitored, not like sometimes coming, sometimes not coming, and homework sometimes doing, sometimes not doing. No, I don't want that kind of student. Okay. I want a regular perfect student who is completing my work, who is always regular with the duty of monitor, and who is sincere. I want sincere students. Clear? Okay, everyone will get chance, so it doesn't mean that you have to be like whatever you can do, you can do. No, it's not like that. You have to be sincere. Everyone should be sincere in your work. Okay? Yes, so Keval Dabi, I am calling you. I called you 2 times. Keval beta, you called me in the evening today. Okay, you are having some doubt, no?
Yes, sir.
And why don't you people call me when I say that you call me in the evening? Then nobody is calling me. Why so? You can call me, beta, no problem. I will answer you. Clear? Okay, beta. Yes, beta. What are you saying? Okay. Anyways, so Krisha will become monitor. Krisha. Who is this? Krisha and Kanji, both students. 2 students are there in that ID. Krisha, both are brothers, sisters.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Sir, my
Okay, fine.
mic is not working.
Mic is not working. But you are speaking better. I can hear you. Then how can you say mic is not working? Beta, your mic is working only.
No, sir.
Yes or no? But I can hear you. Okay. Anyways, so Krisha, is there your sister? Sister is there? Krisha? Krisha, are you there,
Yes,
beta?
sir.
Where is Krisha?
Sir.
Krisha? Krisha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. You want to be the monitor for this week?
Yes, sir.
Will you do it? Will you do it sincerely?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, beta. So you can start your monitoring from today, from now. Okay? Okay, done. So yes. So Krisha is a monitor. Everyone listen. Krisha is a monitor for this week till Saturday. Clear? Okay. So Krisha, you can start your job from now. Okay, fine. So let's start with the homework checking fast. We don't have time. I will take only 5 minutes. Then from 8:30 to 9, half an hour we will spend for our studies. Okay. Means today we will have discussion on the textual question answer. Okay. Today we are not going to learn anything. Just we will be discussing the question answers. Clear? Okay, fine. Only 3-4 minutes are there for checking homework. Yes. Who will show? Who has done the homework? Raise your hand fast. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Khushi Kasundra. Show me, beta. Khushi, show me your homework.
Yes, sir.
Khushi Kasundra. Show me. Show me your homework. Switch on the camera and you have to show. Yes, beta. Very good. Yes. What have you written? What is the last fill up? What is that last fill up? Zoom that camera. In 2003, Dash became chief minister. Then what is written? Dash became the chief minister. Allow me to read that last fill up. What is that? Became the chief minister. Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. Yes, Veerbhadra Singh. Beta, Singh spelling is not S-I-N-G, S-I-N-G-H. S-I-N-G-H will come. Okay, write there H. Okay. Sing means that is another meaning. Sing means singing a song, not that sing. This is S-I-N-G-H. Did you write H? Okay. Beta, H write properly.
Yes.
It looks like N. H write properly.
Okay.
It looks like N.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That you can do it later. Now show me the next page. What is this? What is the first question? Show me. In that working of the government. Working of the government, first question. Define the term government. Yes, allow me to read that answer. The word government, is that the answer what I have given? The government refers to the government departments and various ministers who head them. Very good. Very good. Yes, good. And what is the last part of that? Debate in legislative assembly. What is that last fill up? Zoom it, zoom it. Go nearer to that. Allow me to read from first, beta. From first. Allow me to read question. Allow me to read question. What is that? All the, zoom it, beta. Zoom. Hold the camera properly towards the book so that I can read. All the elected members who gather together in the legislative assembly are called, yes, legislature. Very good. This we have already discussed, no? Yes. Then what is the second fill up?
Yes,
Second
sir.
fill up you don't know?
I don't.
Read that.
Sir, I don't know.
Read the question.
The chief minister and his ministers are the part of the government.
Are the dash, no? There is fill up, no?
Yes, sir.
You did not read textbook properly. The
Yes, sir, I
ministers
read the text.
and the. Okay, no problem. So you will get the answer of that. I will send the PDF. Okay. So whichever answer you don't know, you leave that. Okay. Okay. You have done good job. Khushi Kasundra. Very good. Now next, who will show me? One more student I want. Then after we can go for our discussion of question answers. Yes. Homework. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Nobody has done. Beta. Harman, have you done? Harman Sheikh. Harman Sheikh,
Yes.
did you do the? Show me, beta.
Yes.
Switch on the camera and show me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you see?
Hold it properly. Hold your textbook properly. Not textbook, camera. Hold your camera properly. Don't zoom this much. MLA is associated with state government.
State government.
Yes, good. Then Himachal Pradesh has how many constituencies?
68. 68.
68. Good. Then head of the state executive. Who is the head of the state?
Governor.
Governor. This we have already done. And show me the previous page or any fill up.
Okay, sir.
The full form of
So here also I have done.
member of legislative assembly.
Member of
Member.
Legislative Assembly.
Assembly you have not written, no? Write assembly properly. Then
Okay, sir.
MLAs are elected. MLAs are elected by whom? People. Okay, good. Then every state in India has a legislative assembly. Good. Then in a democracy, people organize get-togethers to voice their opinion. Yes, this point yesterday I have discussed. Do you remember that third point I have discussed? In a democracy, people organize get-togethers to voice their opinions. Then what it is written? Show me proper. Voice their opinions
Sir, it is
and
blank.
dash against.
So I think that
Voice
will
their
become
opinion.
sanitation.
Opinions, and then what will come? Yesterday I have discussed
Sir,
this point. You
sanitation.
don't remember? Huh?
Sir, sanitation will come.
No, not sanitization. Opinions and dash against the government. What they will do if the government does not take action? What they will do? I told you one name, one word I said you. Huh? What they will do? They will.
Sir, they will do. Yes, right.
Yes, strike, but you don't have to write strike. What is that word for that? One word I told you yesterday. Do you remember? What they will do? One word I told you yesterday. Protest. Do you remember? Protest.
Yes.
What they will do? Yes, protest will be the answer. So write there protest. P-R-O-T-E-S-T. P-R-O-T-E-S-T. Right there. Okay. Not now. Write later. Okay. Right now write it somewhere else. Then later you can write it there. Okay. Fine. Okay, Harman. Very good. So you have tried. Very good. Now. Okay. So now shall we go for our discussion? Shall we discuss the question answers? Okay. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone take your textbook. What is the first question? What is the first question? Use.
Sir, first
Yes.
question is use the term constituency and represent to explain who an MLA and how is the person selected.
Yes.
Sir, may I
Use the
say-
term constituency and represent to explain who an MLA is and how is the person elected. Anybody knows?
Sir, may I tell?
Okay, yes, beta. You can say and speak louder. And you have to say the reference if you have got it from textbook.
Sir,
If you got it from textbook, say the reference.
Sir, on page number 32.
Yes, everyone look. Everyone see page number 32. Then
Second paragraph.
second paragraph. Okay. Then state is divided into, yes or no, several constituency, yes or no. From there,
It shows the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies. For each constitution,
wait,
people elect
beta, wait. You wait, beta. This is an example of Himachal Pradesh. There you no need to write about Himachal Pradesh. What is the question? Here it's a common question. How is an MLA elected? Okay, that is the common question. Okay, and use the terms constituency and represent to explain who an MLA is. This is a common question. So if it is a common question, you no need to give the example of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is just an example given in your textbook. It doesn't mean that from Himachal Pradesh only MLAs are elected. No. The Himachal Pradesh just was an example of that state. Otherwise, these MLAs are, this example can be of any state. We are talking about state government, no. Now, instead of Himachal Pradesh, we can take Gujarat also. Or instead of Gujarat, we can take Kerala also. Yes or no? So these are the entire thing happening in every state. Yes or no? So how you will write down the answer? Okay. No problem to say the answer. I will say.
Hello, sir.
Everyone listen. Dhruvi Kagadra has written the answer in the chat box. So everyone can read that if you want. Otherwise, everyone will listen to me. Listen to me now. Nobody will say the answer.
Sir, your voice is lagging. Sir, your voice is lagging.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Beta.
Sir,
Am I visible?
sir, no, sir. Lagging your voice. Yes, sir, but your voice is
Just wait
lagging.
for a minute. I am coming. Okay. Hello. Beta, can you see me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what did I say? You have to listen to me. Just wait for a minute, beta. I am coming just right now. Right now I am coming. So by that time, do one thing. Everyone try to solve that answers one by one. Just wait a minute. I am coming. Okay. And monitor will monitor the class. Monitor the class if anyone is talking.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
anyone is talking, anyone is making noise, anyone is putting emojis, all these things you should check. Okay, just wait, I am coming.
Yes,
And tell me give me the names after the class.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes, beta. Now say.
Sir, may I tell second time answer?
No, beta. Did we discuss the first one? We have not discussed, no? Okay, let me say. What is the answer? It is given on page number that, who said that? It is given on page
Sir,
number
Kavya.
32. Okay. How you will write down? Yes, the state is divided into several constituencies on basis of what? Constituencies decided on basis of what? On basis of the population, state population. It is decided constituency. Clear? Every constituency elects one representative for what? Every constituency. So, for example, in Himachal Pradesh there were how many constituencies? 68. It doesn't mean that beta 68 constituency. Don't get confused that every state has 68 constituency. No, it's not like that. It's not like every state has 68. There are, according to the population, constituency is decided. Okay. So suppose in Gujarat, how many constituencies are there? It depends on according to the population of that state. Okay. So according to Himachal Pradesh, okay, according to the population structure, okay, there were how many constituencies? 68. It depends on what? It depends on the population of the state. Clear? So every constituency, suppose for example in Himachal Pradesh, how many? 68. So among 68, one representative is elected by whom? By the people. The person elected as a representative that particular constituency. So he or she is called as member of legislative assembly. So a person is elected from that 68 constituency. All the MLAs, among that MLAs, one person is elected as member of as a legislative assembly. Okay. Then he or she is called member of legislative assembly, that is MLA, and MLA is elected through what? Elected through a general election. Okay, so I told you, among the 68 constituency, for example, as we are talking about constituency, so among how many constituency in Himachal Pradesh? Among that 68 constituency, I told you just right now, constituency depends on the population of the state. Clear? So among these 68 constituencies, okay, a general election is held. Now in this election, from this election, yes, what happens? Yes, among MLAs there is one election. That is what general election means in the state election. Okay, so among that one candidate is elected. Okay, so and from that election, okay, all the MLAs belong to different parties in all the constituency. In the 68 constituency, suppose 50% MLAs will be of BJP, yes or no? 20% will be of Aam Aadmi Party, okay, 10% will be from what? Other parties, other particular parties, and 20% will be from how much? Which one? Congress, INC. Clear? Can you see the board now? Can you see the board?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you cannot see?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, no? So this constituencies depend on what? Depend on the population. Always remember. Okay, this point was remaining for me to tell you. Okay, constituency depends on what? It depends on the population of the state. Clear? So among the 60 constituencies, one general elections is held, and in this general elections, okay, it depends on the parties. Okay, suppose BJP has more parties, so BJP MLAs. So all the BJP MLAs now among these 68 constituencies, BJP MLAs will win. So among this, one candidate is selected, and now this 50% BJP. So BJP MLAs has won. Yes or no? They have won the election. Now among them, one leader is elected, which is known to be as what? CM. Clear now? This one now clear? That is what. So this is how MLAs are elected. How they are elected? Once again, the person elected as representative represents the particular constituency, whichever constituency belongs. Then he or she is called member of legislative assembly, that is MLA. Okay, MLA. Then among this MLA, a general election is held. Okay, and in that it decides that which party has won the general election. Suppose BJP has won, and now BJP MLAs. Now who has won? BJP MLAs has won the election, and now among this BJP MLAs, one candidate or one member or one person is elected. So that as a leader, so that leader will become who? The chief minister. Is it clear? So this is how we have to write down. Clear? I will send the PDF, don't worry. Okay, now second one, who will say, how did some MLAs become ministers? Explain. Explain.
Sir, I know.
Yes. Say the answer.
Sir, on
page
page
number
number
32, third paragraph.
Page number?
सर कौन बोले, मैं बोलूं या वो
32.
बोले? दोनों साथ में बोल रहे हैं.
ध्रुवी बोल रहे सर.
That's what. Wait. Dhruvi will say. Okay. Yes, let Dhruvi say. Let Dhruvi say. Say the answer. Where it is?
Page number 32, third paragraph.
Page number 32. How do people or who are MLAs become ministers or chief minister? Yes. So it starts from the party elected in majority. The party which is elected in majority for legislative assembly. Everyone look in that page number 32, third paragraph. When you will read that, you will easily get that answer. How you will write down? Party which is elected. I told you. Now in that constituency, suppose which party has won? BJP. So BJP party has more votes. Yes or no? So which party has majority? So here we can say BJP is majority. For example, this is an example. Okay. In this example, BJP has more. Yes. So now the party which is elected majority for legislative assembly forms the government. So here now who will form the government? BJP will form the government. Clear? Now as per constitutional provisions, ruling party elects its leader. Now from I told you, among them a ruling party elects what? A leader, which is known to be as chief minister, as the head of the government. So he will be considered as the head of the government. Okay. Then chief minister in consultation with governor constitutes a cabinet which includes members of his own party. Yes. So after his role, now he is after becoming the CM. Then what? Yes, with the help of the governor of the state, governor of the state elects the CM plus the cabinet ministers. Cabinet ministers means the ministers that are working under the chief ministers. So after him, who comes? He will form a cabinet ministers. Yes or no? Cabinet ministers means, understand, all other ministers that are working under the CM. So it's a team. Yes or no? So it's a cabinet which includes members of his or her party ministers. Then MLA who becomes ministers are allotted with portfolio. So MLAs who are becoming the different ministers, they are given the different portfolios. So, yes or no? With the different portfolios they are being elected. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the
Clear.
MLA, this way MLA turns ministers and become responsible for entire state for that particular portfolio. So for example, who is responsible for the running of the government? For running of the government or portfolio, who is responsible? Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Only chief minister? No. Chief minister plus the cabinet minister. Because who is running the government? Who is running the government? Chief minister plus cabinet minister. Okay, so they are responsible. Okay. Yes. So that is done. Yes, beta.
Sir, I will tell the second one full answer.
Yes. No, beta, it's already understood. Now we do. Don't worry, beta. If you have reference with you, then you can say the reference. What is the reference? Do you have reference, beta? Do you have reference? Hello?
No, sir.
Beta, do you have reference? You don't have. Beta, don't worry. Don't be tensed. Okay? Don't be tensed. Okay? Don't think that I have not given you chance. You can give the next answer. Okay? Yes. Do you have next answer with you? Hello? Do you have the next answer, beta? Do you have the next answer? I will send PDF of question answer, don't worry. Yes, beta. Hello. Okay, so third one. Why should decisions taken by Chief Minister and other ministers be debated in Legislative Assembly? So what is the need for debate in the Legislative Assembly? Yes, anybody knows? Anybody knows that? Why is there a need?
I know.
I mean, say your name, beta.
Sir,
Say your
Kavya.
name.
Yes.
Yes, Kavya. Okay, Kavya will say the third answer. Everyone listen.
Sir, on page number 34, third paragraph.
Page number 34.
34.
Everyone look at that page number 34, third paragraph. Yes.
However,
Why
whatever decisions are being taken have to approved by the member of the Legislative Assembly. In a democracy, these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent, etc. They have the main authority.
Good. Then anything else, beta? Any other point that you can give? Any more points? Or over? Over, no?
Yes.
Good, good. Very good, beta. I appreciate your effort. Yes. So now listen. Okay, it is correct only, but little more. Okay, there should be a clarity, no, in the answer. So for that, what you will give? Listen. The decisions taken by Chief Minister and other ministers should be debated. Yes or no? What is the reason that they debate in the Legislative Assembly? Let's see. It is because during debate, what all things are discussed and how it is discussed in the debate. It is discussed whether a particular decision is in interest of the people. Okay, means whether the people are interested in that matter. Yes or no? That thing is decided. Yes or no? What is decided? First point is that they check the interest of the people. Suppose a rule is implemented. So whether the people are following that or not, or people are interested in that or not, that is also checked, no? So that is also discussed in the assembly. Then it is also discussed whether it is urgent or not. That is also discussed. Whether a particular rule or particular portfolio is, yes, beta. I know that we will stop. After this, we can. I will send the PDF today, okay, of worksheet as well as this textual. Okay, today we had just discussions of this question answer. All question answers we have not discussed, but as much as possible. 2 more questions are there, no problem. That no need to discuss. Okay, so today we can end this chapter. Yes or no? But this last one more point for this question: how much would it cost? Yes, right now you have said no the point, Kavya. You have said this point, no, that how much cost will be bared on a particular. Yes, on how much would it cost the government, for the government, how much cost government has to bear. Yes or no? Or how much expense or how much money should be spent. Yes or no? That is also decided in the government. Then Is there anything objectionable for any particular community? Like, for example, suppose they have implemented a plan. So is there any other party who is opposing that? Is there anything like that? That is also decided. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these are the few points. Clear? Yes, I hope that you understood. So beta, that's all for today. Two more questions are there that we are not discussing. It's simple only. One is, I think, table, no? One, it's a table given. I think so.
Yes, sir.
In your textbook is, so that you can try by yourself. No problem. I will send the PDF. And that table, if you have filled, no problem. Check your answer with the PDF that I have sent. I will send, and the last one is, what is difference between work that MLAs do in the assembly and the work done by government? So what is the difference between work of an MLA and work of government? Okay, that is also a brief note on 3-4 lines you have to explain. No problem, that also we can easily, we are not going to discuss, but you can write it. If you have written, very good, check your answers with the PDF. Clear?
Sir, can we left?
Yes, sir. Sir, you.
Wait.
Sir.
You don't want attendance? You don't want attendance?
Sir, you have tell I will give you activity of this chapter tomorrow.
Yes, but I will give you. Okay, don't worry. I will give you the activity all together. Don't worry. Okay, so along with that, you can do it. This activity in your activity book. You have made the activity book, no? No problem. Now, okay, I will plan and I will tell you. Okay, beta? Yes?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I am going to
Sir,
take the
continue
attendance,
now.
so nobody will leave. Can anyone take the screenshot and send me? Wait. Dhruvi, then Divyanshu, this is Krisha and Kanch. Okay, then Kusum, Richa. Okay, fine. Yes, I have taken the screenshot, beta. Yes, now you can leave. Now you can leave. I have taken the screenshot, beta.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. That's it. Okay, beta.
Bye,
See you.
sir.
Complete the notes. Okay. Today I will send the notes. Complete the notes in your fair notebook. And worksheet also.
Okay,
Worksheet also. Okay, beta. Worksheet also you have to complete. Okay, fine.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.